Okay, let me show you a simple hack. I accidentally burned my heat press. And as you can see, the colors are really burnt in there. But I will show you a simple hack to clean it. You don't need much. You just need a towel or a washcloth. The fibers will clean it and scrub it, but it will not scratch it or damage it. And you need a degreaser. Any kind is fine. I use this one, but you can really use any kind you have in hand. And if you're like me, I turned my heat press off and I was like, I will deal with this later. So mine was cool, so I'm turning it on and just letting it a bit heat up. That it is warm but not extremely hot. And you just spray it down with a degreaser. As you can see, it is hot, but you can touch it. And as you can see, with just one wipe, everything is almost gone. I'm just doing it over for one more time, just to be sure. But here you go, it's clean. You can use it again. And it was really easy, because I hate scrubbing it down like crazy. And we just don't have time for that. When you want to craft, and you don't want to clean like crazy. I'm wiping away all the excess before using it. And it makes it clean right away. But yeah, that was it. Thank you for watching.